I'm going to show you how to connect your Salesforce into your Excel the easy way. So to get started, all you have to do is just start by opening your Excel workbook, and then from there you have to access your data, which is in here. And so for the step 2, all you have to do is just go to online services and then click on the other sources and then click on from Salesforce objects. And then from Salesforce object, you will have a pop-up shown in your screen, which is going to proceed to step 3. And then from there, you will be prompted to enter your Salesforce credentials, username, and password to connect to your Excel. And then from there, once you have already connected from your Salesforce to Excel, either you can import or export any files or necessary data from Salesforce to your Excel. So from there, you can just import the data that you want or you need and other things that you want to do with Salesforce. So that's pretty much it. That's how you connect your Salesforce with Excel.